Okay, so here are some reasons why whiteboard animation videos are widely used by marketeers and actually can convert more potential viewers into actual buyers. First reason, they say a picture's worth 1,000 words. Whiteboard animation videos are an essential tool for marketeers trying to convey complex ideas in a compelling way, without talking heads or expensive video production, because they blend professional quality audio with real-time illustrations that come to life before the viewer's eyes. Second reason, whiteboard videos are able to be created to cater to a very specific message or service with little to none of the extra fluff that you may find in other types of videos. Third reason, they are fun. If done correctly and with an impactful and effective script, they can be very entertaining to the viewer. By creating an informative video that is still fun, people view your company as one that they want to do business with. Fourth reason, they are memorable. Because the defining characteristics of this medium is drawing, one of the oldest forms of visual communication. When potential customers remember your drawings, they remember you. They remember your product or service. When they remember you, they tell other people about you. Fifth reason, whiteboard videos can be placed anywhere, allowing for great flexibility for your marketing. Being a digital video, it can be distributed infinite times among any number of platforms. It can be hosted on a website, shown in a presentation, linked to an email, placed in an electronic textbook, copied, downloaded, shared, uploaded, whatever. Once made, you can use it as much as you want and hand it out to anyone you like. Your video can travel the world and work for you at all hours of the day, even while you are sleeping. In the end, reaching your audience couldn't be easier. Our next question is, why use VideoScribe out of all the other whiteboard animation tools? Let's find out next.